What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on email notification sounds in Outlook Mail. So first, you need to head over to the official website of Outlook Mail, and after that, you need to log in or sign up with your Outlook account. Now, after that, you will be redirected to this homepage of Outlook, wherein on the right side, you can see the settings icon. Click on the settings icon, and from here on the left side, go to the general. After clicking on general settings on the right side, you will see the option of notifications. Click on this, and after clicking on this notifications, you will see these toggles. What these toggles are, this toggle is for notifications in Outlook. When you turn it on, it will tell you and notify you about all the notifications in the Outlook. And if you want to go for specific notification, you can turn on only mail, or you can turn on only calendar, or you can turn on only documents, or all of these. If you want to you want to get notified about all of these. So you just make sure that you have turned this toggle on, and it is turned to this blue color, and it is written here on. So this is how you can turn on email notification sounds in Outlook Mail. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.